Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cake topper, which is a really simple thing to do. The font that I actually use to make this cake topper is called October. Let me go ahead and write it on here. It's called October Twilight. So let's go ahead and find it. October Twilight, and it's on there. And that's a capital M. So we're going to go ahead and ungroup like we normally do. And we're going to bring these two together. First thing I want to make is actually I forgot to make that M a capital M. So we're going to go ahead, double click that, make that M a capital M. And there you get that little swirl. Then you're going to ungroup, bring it together. And do you see how the eye is kind of hanging loose? You don't want that eye to hang there because when you make a cake topper, you want it all to touch. You want all the letters to touch. So I'm going to go ahead and add a shape. I'm going to add a circle shape. And I'm going to put it right above that circle of the eye. I'm going to select them together. Then I'm going to hit slice. And it's sliced out so that I can move it. I'm going to erase the excess. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, bring it down, make it touch. So now they're all touching. And then you're going to weld those two together. And I already have the other parts of my letter together, so we're going to go ahead and bring those out there. And here are the rest of the words. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to make that eye. You're going to connect the words so that all the words are connecting, so when you add the skewers, you can kind of hide them in between. So this is that October Twilight font, and I added this cross to it. Then you're going to go ahead and print it all together. And I like to make layers, so I go ahead and print extra layers. I print about 4 layers. So I just leave it in black, and I'm going to make this gold. So I'm going to go ahead and hit make it, and you see how it goes on each page. Well, I want to go ahead and save paper, so I'm going to actually move it to another mat and move it on here. Then you can actually twist it and make it come on here so that it all fits, so that when it cuts, none of it is touching. And you go ahead and do that to the other page. So you're going to go ahead and move this to another mat. We're going to put those two together, going to twist it again, and put it on here so you can use a 12 by 12 sheet and it can cut it on there. And then here's your glitter part. So I already went ahead and cut it. And here is my glitter layer. Here are my 4 layers of cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead and put those together. And I'm going to put all these layers together. I like to use this glitter art glue. It works really well to put all the layers together. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them and put them together. And because of the swirls, you want to make sure to line up the little swirls first. And then it'll line up the rest of the cake topper so that it's on there. Want to hold it down to make sure that it all glues together. Go ahead and show you how it all glued together on there. And it makes a really nice, thick, and sturdy cake topper. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to add the skewers, and you're going to use hot glue to add those in. And there you have your cake topper with your skewers on, and you went ahead and added that with hot glue. And here it is, all finished. Thank you for watching.